everybody, we're here with Peter from Walsh and Ford in Dalby. G'day Peter.
Good morning.
Just as a quick introduction, we installed a 23 kilowatt system for Walsh and Ford in Dalby back in September 2017, so about 2.5 years ago. There's obviously been a few seasons since then, so we thought we'd just come and catch up and see how things have been going. So Peter, can you just tell us a little bit about Walsh and Ford?
Walsh and Ford's been in the Darling Downs at Dalby for over 70 years. We're an agricultural machinery manufacturer.
Fantastic. And how do you use power here? What are your main high consumption?
We've got lathes, brake presses, guillotines, a lot of processing, punch and shears. Of course, we've got welders, 400 amp welders. We have over 15 of those on the floor. So when we get going, we consume a bit of energy.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of high power, high peak demand items there.
That's correct.
Since the 23 kilowatt system was installed, what sort of impact has that had on your power bill?
All right, with our power bill, we've seen it reduced by about 85%. We're quite excited and we're thinking very seriously about battery backup at some stage, and when it gets proven enough, we believe we'll go with these guys into that field as well.
Fantastic. So since the system was installed 2.5 years ago, have you had any issues with any of the components failing or not working as they should?
No, it's been a faultless system. From the installation right through to now, we have not had a problem at all, and that's what you're looking for. You don't want any issues when it comes to this stuff. You want reliability, quality product, and that's what we've got.
Yeah, absolutely. And after the system was installed and you had paid your invoice to GI Energy, did you hear from them again after that?
Oh, absolutely. Even before we initially signed up with this group, we liaised with Dan for probably 18 months to 2 years, and just on calculations to make sure what I was going to get was going to be right. Finished the project, Dan was coming to see me. He called in on me, would have been within 3 months of that installation. Is everything okay? And since then, we've been talking regularly anyway, and it would be from me talking about battery backup and so forth for the future, because I'm pretty keen on that.
I guess that's the thing, isn't it? It's an energy management solution for an ongoing, rather than just a quick supply and install.
That's right.
Have you recommended GI Energy to anyone else?
Yes, I have. I've got a pretty good story about that. My accountants realised what I did with this project, this new shed project that I did, and they looked seriously about that, and of course they've gone with this group at the same time. So that's worked out well for my accountant and well for GI. And also, the people across the road, they're high energy users too. They're a joinery fabrication sort of group, and they've come on board as well. And there's potentially another on board that we're looking at now.
That's fantastic. Have you got any other comments that you'd like to say about your interactions with GI Energy or the way that your solar system has worked since it was installed?
Simply GI know what they're doing. It's as easy as that. And that's what we want.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for your time, Peter.
Thank you.